So my freaking tire popped. Fat ass metal in there, man. So I'm just showing you how it goes with repairing the tire, man. I gotta come early in the morning. See, that's where your preacher come in, right? Freaking tire pump, man. So my tire was hella old anyway, so I'm gonna have to grab some new tires. I have to grab 2 new tires. It's gonna cost me like $280 each. But see, that's the thing when you own your own business. You have to do all your own repairs. Gotta make sure you got money on the side, you know, and you have to fix it. If you don't fix it, your truck is going to, you know, get stranded, get stuck, and you can't make money, and you don't want to just keep on driving while blown tire. So, being an owner, you have to get it fixed. There's no way around it, man. And I'm just showing you the process. Getting fixed right now. They look cool. So you know what? They let me shoot and just show you the process. You know what I'm saying? So it's hella funny, man. But no, now it's some bullshit though, man. Because you know what I'm saying? I lost some money, so I gotta get back, man. So that's the thing. But anyways, man, hey, back to show. Hey, it looks pretty interesting, right? How they doing it, you know, but I can't do it. And I'll pay these guys to do it. I ain't got no heavy tool, no power tool. You see all the heavy duty tools, so yeah, it's actually pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you what the hell's going on, man. Hey, dude, I'll see you on the road. Hey, I got a little shaped up, you know. I think they're ready, so we about to go back. All right, bye.